In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and a complete setup of your Canon Pixma TS5320a printer. So this is a wireless printer, all-in-one printer. We can do the wireless setup with it. We can do copy, print and scan. Let's start with the unboxing and do the complete setup. So it comes with a manual and a CD for the drivers. Here is the ink cartridge. So it comes with the two ink cartridges, black and color, also with the power cable. Plug in the power cable, press the power button, so that's the button here, press it once and the Canon screen will start, and it has a light on this panel, so it really looks good. Let's start the setup. So go to the printer screen. On the main screen, select your language. Press OK for the English, confirm it, click on the start setup. Now we can scroll down and press OK. Next is to install the ink cartridges. So open the ink chamber door. To install the ink cartridges, take your new ink cartridge, that is the setup ink cartridge. Remove the seal and remove this orange seal from this. So this is ink 260, this is the color ink 261. Also remove the seal. Now open the ink chamber. So lift it from here and it will hold itself. Now go to the chamber. Here is our ink chamber, so that is B for black and C for color. Now place the black ink cartridge. So place the front section in like this and let it slide and settle here. Same way, place it here, let it slide and then it should settle. Now press this, it will lock the ink cartridge. Now lift it a little bit and let it go. Go to the printer screen. Press OK to confirm the ink cartridge installation. If you want, you can do the alignment of the ink cartridges. So press OK. It will improve the print quality. Now we have to load the paper. So there are two paper trays in this printer. One is cassette paper tray and other is at the rear. So I'll show you the rear paper tray first. At the back of the printer you will see the rear paper tray. You can just slide it out, adjust the size and place the pages here. So that goes like this and lock it. Now I'm going to install into the cassette paper tray. So I'll remove from here as I'm going to use the cassette. Cassette paper tray is at the bottom. So slide it out. Remove this section. Adjust the size. Place the A4 size sheet or letter paper. Adjust the size and place this flap here and close it. Now go to the screen and confirm. So we have loaded it. So press OK. So we loaded in the cassette paper tray. Now it's performing the initial adjustment. So just wait for the 5 minutes. So go to the screen, it says printer setup is done and we are ready to copy. So click next. So press OK. Now we have to connect it for the Wi-Fi setup. So press OK again. You will see the main screen of the printer and we can do the copy. Now I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup so that we can use it for wireless printing and scanning. Now there are a couple of methods for that. So let's use a Windows 10 laptop. Go to your Windows laptop and type in Canon IJ setup in the web browser. Open it. Select Canon official manuals welcome, that is the Canon website. Click on the setup. Type your printer model TS5320a, select it and click go. So click on the setup, start. Just scroll ahead as we have already done the initial setups. The next thing is to connect. So select it. So it says download, click on the download button. Open file. Confirm. Start setup. Click next. So we are downloading the drivers and we will do the wireless setup in this window. Click yes and agree for the terms and conditions. Select the connection type. So we are using the Wi-Fi setup. So confirm yes. So connection is complete. Printer is connected automatically to our wireless network. Click next. So we can print a test page for the confirmation. So click OK to print it and it will make sure like the printer is connected and it's working. So that's the Windows printer test page. Now go to the screen and click on the next button and we have to finish the setup process. If you want, you can continue online and you can just register your printer. So I'm going to close all the windows. So this way we can do the wireless setup of this printer. Now you can use it for printing and scanning. So printing is easy. Just open any document, click on the print button, select your printer series TS5320 series and give a print command. But I'm going to show you how to do the scanning because it's important to know how to scan. So go to the start button, open all apps, look for the Canon utilities and select IJ scan utility. Open it. This will open a small window, that is our scanning window. So let's do a scan. Open the top scanner lid, place the page facing downwards like this on the upper side. Go to the laptop screen. In the Canon IJ scan utility, you can see the name of your printer on the top. Here we have few options like auto, document, photo, custom, OCR, so lots of things. So this is a document, so I click on the document and it starts the scanning process. And you can see on the screen the scan is going on. So it's transferring now. Go to the screen and click on the exit. So this will open the file. Now if you want to add more pages, you can just add the next page and click on the scan, and when you want to exit, click on the exit button. So this way we can do the scanning. Overall, it's a very good printer for home use, and you can use it for wireless printing and scanning using a Windows laptop. So this is a complete setup of this printer. Thanks for watching.